Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to solve the last challenge of AWS Core Cloud Engineer 100 Days of DevOps series. And in today's task, we need to expand the storage of an EC2 instance. So the task description is the Nautilus DevOps team has recently informed by the development team that their EC2 instance is running out of storage space. This instance crucial for development activities and its name as DevOps EC2, and it is currently has a volume of 8 GB. To accommodate the increasing data requirements, the storage need to be expanded to 12 GB. So there is an EC2. Click on running instance, and this instance is running, and right now it has this storage volume which is of 8 GB, and we need to expand this 8 GB to 12 GB. Also, we need to reflect changes, ensure that the root partition within the instance reflect the expanded size from 8 GB to 12 GB. So the problem here is we can click on this volume. We can expand this storage. We can expand this storage from the console, but it is important to reflect these changes in EC2 instance. What I meant to say is, suppose we expand this storage to 8 to 12 GB in from this console, and in the console the storage will be of 12 GB, and inside EC2 instance the storage will remain 8 GB until we expand it. So first we need to expand this. Click on this volume ID, and we need to expand this from 8 GB to 12. Click on actions, click on modify, and right now it has 8 GB. We need to expand this to 12 GB, and modify. Click on modify, refresh this. So now it is volume is being modified. So as you can see, the size here is 12 GB, but when we connect to EC2 instance, you guys will see that it will have the old 8 GB, so we need to modify from there as well. So go to EC2 instances and verify the volume again. Click on storage. As you can see, now the volume is 12 GB. Let's connect to this EC2 instance. We need to connect using key pair located at this directory. ls. This is the key pair. ssh-i DevOps key pair.pem, and let's connect to this instance to see either using Ubuntu. So it is Amazon Linux EC2 user at the rate of public IP of EC2 instance. So copy the public IP. This is the public IP. Before connecting to this instance, we need to verify the security group. Either it's allow SSH. So yeah, it's allow SSH. Click on clear, right clear. So let's list all the block storages. For this command is sudo ls. ls means list and blk means block storage. So this is the 12 GB, and right now it is mounted as root part to this 8 GB. We need to change the path. ensure that the root slash partition within the instance reflect from expanded size from 8 to 12 GB. So right now it is pointed or it is mounted to this. We need to change and we need to make sure that it will mount to this newly expanded volume. First we need to grow the partition. For this the command is this sudo grow partition slash dev slash xvda. This is the newly created. So click enter. Now the partition is changed. Old size is this and new size is this. And now we need to expand the file system as well. For this the command is this. I'll provide all these command in my git repo. Data block change from this to this. Now run the command df -h. Also sudo lsblk list block storages, and now it is pointed to this 12 GB of partition. As you guys can see that the root partition is now of 12 GB. Let's verify our task. Yes.